Hello guys, I am Nagendra. Once again, I am back, and today this is the last video of the playlist. It's not a last video, it's a last video of the basic topics because we have already covered multiple topics of behalf of the basic. So you can see in my screen that I have already covered all the topics instead of fulfillment. So the thing is, today topic will be fulfillment in AWS LEX. But guys, after this video we will cover, we will move on the advanced topic of AWS LEX. Okay, so without any delay we start about the fulfillment. So the same thing is, this is a definition I just got from the official documentation website. So use fulfillment message to tell user that the status fulfillment their intent. You can define messages when fulfillment is successful or for when the intent can be fulfilled. So this is a typical definition, I know, but in the simple word, fulfillment is like the similar way. It's suppose you have some objectives, and if your objectives is completed, so you can say that the same thing is here, that the objectives is like intent and completed is the similar way is fulfillment. So you can easily understand with this term the fulfillment is like a like completed. Okay, if you are again confusing, so I can give an example, like suppose if you are opening any application, if you are open any payment gateway payment, and you just payment some like 5,000 bucks payment you want, and after the payment, so you just receive a message like your payment is successfully done. So the same thing is here. So on the time the object is payment is done, and same thing is here, that intent is fulfilled. And in the second line basically they are saying that when your object, when your intent is fulfilled, so on that time we have again the two way. First one is fulfillment and second one is not fulfillment, and behalf of this we can easily given a response to the user. Okay, so don't worry, in this lab we will discuss about it. Okay, and but the again thing is, so guys, after the some couple of days I will launch my advanced topic video, so you can easily see in my screen that there will be advanced topic of AWS LEX. So guys, don't miss this advanced topic video. Okay, but the today topic is fulfillment. Okay guys, so now we just move on our lab part. Okay, so you can see in my screen that the from the bottom, the first one and the second one and the third one, so third one is basically a fulfillment. Okay, so if we want to achieve this functionality, so firstly we need to active this fulfillment button. Okay, and after the enable you can see that there is a two scenario. First one is on successful fulfillment, and second one in case of the failure. So firstly, like suppose the same thing I'm here that if you are doing, I'm just giving example, like if you are doing, if you are such perform such kinds of things, like if you are doing any payment. Okay, so if your payment is done, so the same thing is here. So like suppose I'm just giving some response like your objective, your object is done. Okay, and like suppose in case of failure, like I just giving like the same thing is something went wrong. Okay, something is spelling, I think something. Okay, oh. And I just save this intent. Okay, and you know that after the save intent I need to create the build. Okay guys, so guys, don't confuse about the fulfillment. Like fulfillment is a normally a term when your intent is fulfilled. The similar way, when your object is completed, so on that time you can given a response to the user, so that the user can easily satisfied that his intent is completed. Okay, so don't confuse this term fulfillment. And in my upcoming video, you can say that in the advanced topic, so you can easily see in my screen that run a lambda function to fulfill the intent. So guys, this is the advanced topic, so don't miss my upcoming video to perform these such kinds of actions. Okay, fine, the build is successfully done. Right now I just click on test button, and the same thing is here. sport, and I just click cricket, and after that he's asking the age 23, and now his location like Delhi. Okay, and after that he's just asking the confirmation. You know my previous video, I think the confirmation I just giving yes. Perfect. So now user you now sorry so you can see my screen that the after the given the confirmation. Okay, so that means after the given confirmation yes, so on that time the intent is fulfilled, and when the intent is fulfilled, so on that time a message I receive. So basically Lex is given a proper message to a user that your object is done. So what is the object? So here is object is only the gathering the information about the sport, yeah, about the cricket. So cricket information. Okay, so here the object is done. So suddenly I just receive a message that your object is done, and after that I just receive a closing response. Yeah, you can say there's a thankful response. Okay guys, so the topic of the fulfillment is completed with a proper definition and proper lab. Okay guys, so guys, thankful for much watching my video, and yeah, and don't forget that in my upcoming days I will launch my advanced topic on the AWS LEX. So guys, so thank you, bye bye.